Hey, what's up guys? It's Harris. You are now watching Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, we're making seafood boil. So go ahead, if you want to try this recipe, head on to my YouTube. It's already posted. You're just going to use my shrimp boil recipe and pretty much add whatever kind of seafood you want to use. On today's episode, I used some lobster, Dungeness crab, some king crab, some crawfish, pretty much a little bit of everything. You guys have a great day, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.